So tomorrow never comes. So reka tugumenye tugire ko ikirizamo
omukorogu gushitamire ahari Ntara Central Kitagwenda Town Council mu district ya Kitagwenda aho abebembeza abasya abatorinwe abo mwaka w'2024 barahiziwe kandi bakahewa ebikwato bya office ahagati yo mukago go kugita beji okurwo mu matendekero gahiguru nka university za technical ahamwe na nokushanga ngo bine gukora hamwe nkenzarwa eza Kitagwenda.
Rose Abel, swear that I shall discharge my duties without fear or favor, uphold the Constitution of Greater Kitagwenda District Inter-University Students Association as per law established, so help me God.
Ogugubire guyo murundi go kubanza okutora nabebembezi omulingo nkogu kandi mu kugambaho na Sky TV abeji bashoborire okubine entebekanisa nko kwera batahi babo na munonga abari kuzo mu matendekero busya abatine chwera otebirwe na no kubasa okureba ngo bahwera abo abatakushoma ombyaro.
Nkabane yinjire manifesto yanje nkomuntu inabire ninye nantambureho kureka ngo at least every person is considered within Kitagwenda district abaria universities na institutions, and most of the times abana bindi kubaje no mu universities bafuna challenges zotire munko kuburaho kurara okuburaho kubyama bafuna challenges nka okushanga ngo nabazo mu hostels they don't feel at home. Konkato tuna associations zizi tugita nkabana ba universities is making us feel at home.
Tukaanza cha university twashiteka bla university eine association ekugita abana tine kumenga sure ngo each and every sub county tukafuna mu representative yagumana mobilizing abana okwashitiye mu bitu ya connections. For example nani nanko manyagwa internship to Kambur okuba already there are some schools ezikumanya ngondiyo mwejikanisho na cyambo ko ninkolo kushomesa kwenda kola ndo kumenga sure mtu waita projects is employing our youth on their levels. Sawa employer kujanga bagamba funa mka income kuba yambo bakebezo nkabana
bitu habebembezi habashira mukorogu behanangiriza beji okwerinda obutakozesibwa ombintu hebitari kubagasha na mnonga ebintu hebitine kubera abayambe nk'abantu kubakozesa ombwire bw'akaruru nabwanyuma bakabanagaho.
They know mwinabazeyi bakura ko kugenda wasitamira muzeyi wawe harimo burunka 20 of course for you osumire with the degree okuza muzeyi mumanya uriye nwe yakaya konyo nimutera ani muzeyi namutera. You are our light. Tell your parents, tell them that enough is enough. We've been in that business, we now need leaders. Na mwayenda mwesime no problem.
Twayigisire mwe nk'abana ba university na za district zinjire n'zitandikaho eminyeto irabiryo ushomere rya university niwe genda iza oyesimbe ninga sorete any impact. Abantu amwe batero bururu ahabwa waraje, abantu amwe batero bururu ahabwa mwonyo gendo bagambere umugashubwo mwebembeze nece.
Gashakwa Sharifu Murungi aha wa Sky TV omuri Kitagwenda.